All right, Jay took the Dyson back home and he's bringing back the extractor. And I wanted to show you where we're at so far. I've already vacuumed this room completely. And you can see all the way down there. I vacuumed the closets and behind the doors in the other two rooms. One thing that's really nice about this vacuum is with a 50-foot cord, you can plug it in a central location and you can vacuum this whole apartment without having to move your cord if you don't want to. So that's kind of a nice thing because it kind of gets old having to move your cords all the time. With the DC-25, the Dyson, it has a decent length cord for most houses, but you have to move it into every room basically almost that you're going to vacuum in because the cord isn't really long enough to hit a lot of area. But this thing here, you got 50 feet each direction, so you basically can vacuum 100 feet if you have a central outlet. So you can go 50 feet either side of that or in a circle around it. So that's a pretty big area you can vacuum as one of these with a 50-foot cord. But anyway, he'll be bringing that back, and then we're going to go ahead and video vacuuming the other two rooms because they have good lighting in them. But stay tuned. Okay, we'll be back in a minute with another bedroom. Okay, I gotta say sorry to you guys because when we started this video, I pushed the start button on the camera, but apparently I didn't realize the start button didn't work, and so we did about 30 seconds of video off camera, off the video, but the rest of it's on there, so it'll be a decent video anyway, but we did miss about 30 seconds of it, so anyway, sorry for that. That was a camera malfunction. Alright, the 3-bedroom apartment we just vacuumed, pre-vacuumed. Here is the bag dump. So that carpet hadn't been cleaned in 2 years. And I don't think they were vacuuming it very well either. Well, that's a lot. Gotta let the dust clear just to get near it. All this is just fine dust all the way around it. Yeah, it's surrounded. And they didn't have no pit. So this is just like human hair and stuff like that. I think there's some dryer lint and everything in there maybe.
There's some stuff, but it's
And
not.
I guarantee you that bag still has a lot. We'll take it out in an open area and really give it a beating because there's still a lot of stuff in there, I guarantee you.
Look at that duster's coming up.
Yeah, you always want to take these out in an open area. And you could sweep them with like a whisk broom, sweep the outside, and it helps knock everything loose on the inside. You always want to try to clean it from the outside in because when it's filling up with dirt, it fills up from the inside out. So if you go the opposite direction, it helps you to clean it. Anyway,
There you go.
yeah, that's all there is to that. So thanks for watching.